Hello, Jakob from Atoll here. I want to present to you some of the new features in Topocad 22. I'll start off here in a drawing with some terrain model and point cloud. One of the first things here that came in 22.2 is that the rotation center starts from where I'm right clicking. Also the zoom in will go to where I have right clicked. So this works in all the documents. Another thing here is the create cross section is now working with point clouds. So here I have some models selected, and we can see it's drawing the point cloud, and I can insert this into the drawing with this button here. Here we have a parameter to set how long width we're going to sample points from the points cloud. Another feature is now that we can have multiple dimension styles in the same drawing to improve the flexibility of designing drawings. Our offset command is working with slopes now. You can input percentage or a rational number, like so, the semicolon. And with this I can make a little terrain model. And now we can set our own preferred default DTM look. So when you're in a terrain document and you open up the display settings, you can change this. So let's say I want the served lines, set it as default, and now it's gonna show the lines I have created the drawing with. And now next time I make a terrain model, it will have that look. We have also added the merge functionality that we previously only had in the drawing, now also to the terrain document itself. So there. I can now, for example, keep the lowest part. Another really big feature we added in the previous version is the new transformation database PROI. We've had previously PROI 4, now we have the latest edition, and this enables us to have a way bigger access to different projections and coordinate systems, and we can now search by projection type, for example only verticals, and this gives us a great flexibility when transforming across the globe. And apart from just having a larger database and more organization, we have the recently used systems here at the top. It's gonna be the last 10 used systems. And here at the bottom we can uncheck this box to make it a 2D transformation, to only transform the plane coordinates with no height change. And we also have a more verbose description here, and it also shows the accuracy here. So it's many big improvements in the transformation. And also our import, for example, LandXML is something we have big improvements on. So let's say I will take a LandXML here. Now we can import LandXML to a drawing, and not only one. We can have as many terrain models as you have in the file. We'll get all of them into the drawing. So this can be a big help if you have stacked LandXML files. With this is 5 in this case, but you can have hundreds too. And we also get the break lines of the terrain models to give you more flexibility if you maybe want the lines to edit some and make your own terrain models and make some adjustments. Now you can easily do that. We also added export to DXF and DVG with terrain models. So now we could send this to a DXF, for example, get them as meshes, and we can also do exclude drawing sheets because sometimes the drawing sheets can make it harder to use DXF when you're in the field and you're setting out, for example. Another improvement is the IFC import, where we can import, let's say, whole plan for setting out for the drilling of concrete. We can do a mesh import with the lines that's the center of the actual drilling. And now we can also get the attributes which hold the diameter of the hole. So this will give you all the information you need to set out these holes. So here I have a few hundred holes from an IFC, and here I can see the diameter in millimeter, which I can, for example, I can move this, for example, to the point ID if I want, if I don't have attributes in my field computer. Okay, that was some of the new features. I hope you enjoy them, and see you next time.